Bonjour à tous. Well, I'm back in the garden. We've got some sunshine today, and I just thought, let me give you a little bit of an update on the garden. I found somebody who will come and cut down the dead tree and also trim the trees on the edge of my property into a hedge. Actually, one of my art students' husband. He's going to come and do that as soon as possible. So there's a little bit of progress there. As you can see behind me, that tree came down last night. It's a tree that grows on the edge of the property by the riverside. And apart from that, not much news. Apart from my art classes that they keep me quite busy. I also registered to vote in the national elections in South Africa later this year in May, and I think that's quite important. And then I'm going to end with a little promotional video of my workshop coming up in June at Chateau. So till next time, au revoir.